Welcome to this video. In this session, we are going to see the demo of this application Cap Plate With Stiffener. This application creates a connection between the post and the beam. Let's begin. Pick the post and pick the beam. I separated this bolt and the hole. The reason is that this bolt may be welded to the cap plate, and I don't want this beam becomes a part of an assembly. Let me show you by checking the bolt parts. Let's see other options. I'm changing the width of the plate. Increase the number of bolts. This is supposed to be 1 and this is supposed to be 2. Instead of moving it from the middle, actually I just wanted to move the plate in one direction. So I'll just go here, change this option to right and left. Now you can see when I increase the number of bolts, the system will also add similar number of holes to the beam. This is for the stiffener hole. When you apply this connection to UB section, of course you can have stiffener on both the sides. You can change the stiffener height and width, and you can move the stiffener from the default position. In case you want to add nut to this bolt, check this box and change the cut length. This is one of the most commonly used connections in residential projects. Feel free to get in touch with me if you need any further information. Thank you for watching this video.